Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to repair the Altec Lansing VS4621. This Altec Lansing guys has no power, light and no tone control and low sound volume. So here as you can see, when we turn off the power, the music is on, but look at the power light guys. Now power light is on. Okay, so see, power on already guys, but there is no power light in the indicator, in the power light. The control, that is the tone control. Above is the volume. Okay, now volume is good. The treble, not functioning. Also the bass guys.
Bass is not functioning also.
See, no function on the bass.
Okay.
What we are going to do is to remove the circuit board on the tone control guys. So let's see what we can do. Okay, that's it guys. So maybe we can check voltage on this later. There's power supply running through the tone control. That's the IC of the tone control guys. So that's the wiring. So what we are going to find is the BCC plus and minus guys. That one, the orange, the two black wire. So that's the supply going to the IC guys for the tone control. So that's the circuit. So let's check it later guys. The power supply should have a minus 9 volts and a positive 9 volts guys. So let's check the power guys. Okay, it has a 9 volts. Minus 9 volts is okay.
Siya 9 volts. 9 volts. Balik.
The other one, let's say that second wire guys. Second wire, the orange one. It should have a power there, no? So see, no power guys. No power. That should not be enough guys. It should be
1 volt.
positive 9 volts dyan guys.
So inconsistent.
Yeah, it's inconsistent.
Check here.
So let's check the main source. If there's a power supply running through the main board, there should be a plus minus 9 volts there guys, supplying to the 9-pin DIM connector. I mean DIN connector. DIM. Sorry guys. So let's check the 9 volts there guys. Okay, that's the ground to the other lines. There should be 2 input voltage there guys. Could be a 9 volts or minus 9 volts guys. Okay, the other pin has positive 9 volts. See, there's power guys, but in the tone control circuit board there's no power reach there. So there might be a wire cut on the connector, the red one in the back. So that's the input output terminal pin, the 9 pin DIM. Let's see in the back of the connector. Should have a power. So my hand is connecting to the ground. That's why the reading is flickering to okay, let's check it again.
Okay. So
There should be a plus 9 volts there, guys. The other side should be negative 9 volts. The pin 3 and 4, that's the supply voltage line there.
problema na din sa wire. So itong wire,
Okay, so I'm using a needle, guys, to inject the female terminal of the connector to check if there's voltage output there. Oh, see? Oh, see, there is a negative 9 volts. Okay, good. So that's good. The power, the connector, there's a power supply output in the connector, guys. There might be a problem on the cable, guys, in the wire, the DIM connector.
Let's bypass
So right now, let's bypass the line in the positive 9 volts line in the control board to the main circuit board. Let's see if the power lead will light. On the connector, guys, on the cable lines. So that's where we connect the power lines guys, the 9 volt power supply. The orange wire guys, the pin number 9 I guess, or pin number 2.
Mana?
So we're going now to connect the lines guys.
Focus on yung ikan.
That's the DIM terminals, the 9 pin DIM. That's the IOS guys from the main board. See? That's the IOS guys of the DIM connector.
Okay. Okay. And then mete. Videos alpha.
So we also now trying to check the
4.
connector
Ito.
guys for connectivity issue.
Wala, diba? Wala.
If it is open or short.
Okay.
So let's check.
Wala.
Okay. Check the pin.
Open.
It's open, no? No connection
Open.
guys. So there's a problem on the connector guys. Pin number 2 I guess. I mean 4. Pin number 4.
Open siya.
That's the 9 volts, positive 9 volts. So right now we pick as some kind of wire so that we can connect guys to the main circuit board, to the tone control. Since there is no other exit for the wire, we're just passing it through the operator guys.
Cutter.
Okay, and we solder it to the main circuit board. That should bring the 9 volts power to the tone control. This thing guys is almost 7 years already. This Altec Lansing VS4621. No? It's very old already guys, but still working as long as we can repair this one. I had already changed the speaker, the from the original. Just bought it 500 pesos from Lazada guys. It's still working guys. It's 4 ohms. See, we're connecting the for the plus 9 volts line guys from the main board to the tone control. Let's take a look at that guys.
Pause na
See, let's take a look at that. It's working now, no? So voltage check. See if it's working already. So that IC guys has a 18 volts power supply requirement. 9 plus 9.
ibalik.
Okay, good. Now let's see, positive 9 volts. Oh, see, it's working now, no? Working now, guys. It's already working. There's power already. Pass through the gray wire, guys. Oh, see, 18 volts. That's working now.